What are some good projects to have on your portfolio? Again, I'll go back to, I think I've got to ask this question about every live stream that I've done so far, and that's totally fine. But if you've been on all of these, it's going to be the same answer. I don't think that there are any standard, these portfolio items should be in your portfolio. And I'm thinking primarily in a freelancing context, because that's how the context that I primarily work in. And when you think of portfolio, that's generally the context you think it in, although you certainly could use it for getting a regular job in your resume. But I don't think having just standard stuff in your portfolio is the way to go. The way to go is to figure out what kind of projects. It goes back to this whole idea of a generalist versus a specialist. I used to talk about this a lot more, but people got sick of me talking about it, I think. But it really is the core sort of distinction that I think can change everything for you when it comes to freelancing, is going from marketing yourself as just a general web development provider. Because when you do that, you're going to find yourself working primarily hourly jobs, doing a lot of maintenance and fixing and that sort of thing, maybe not on near as many new projects as you would like to be. And you're often going to get paid less than what you want to get paid. Whereas when you make the switch from being someone who's a general provider to being someone who's a specialist, I build these specific things. I build membership sites. I build e-commerce sites. I build WordPress themes. I build custom blocks for Gutenberg, whatever. When you make that switch, then that's when you go to start working on more new stuff, getting paid more, doing more of the same thing sort of over and over again. And when you make that switch, which I think you should make that switch, I don't really think that's super optional. Obviously, you can do what you want, but if you really want to be a lot happier as a developer, make that switch. What should go in your portfolio are items that demonstrate that you know how to build that particular thing that you're saying you're going to build for people. So that's what should be in your portfolio.
By the way, you can get access to all of my courses, plus over 20,000 more on graphic design, freelancing, online marketing, web design, and more for just $15 a month on Skillshare. But as a teacher, I can offer you an exclusive 2-month free trial. Just head on over to johnmorrisonline.com/Skillshare to learn more.